Ceremony is a time to celebrate your love for each other and to make a commitment to live out that love for a lifetime. Real love is something beyond warmth and glow, excitement and romance. It is caring as much about the well-being and happiness of your marriage partner as about your own. All right, Randy, I'm going to have you repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
I, Randy, take you, Cynthia,
I, Randy, take you, Cynthia,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better or for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer or for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death do us part.
till death do us part.
And keep me imbibed.
And to keep you involved.
I, Cynthia, take you, Randy.
Cheers.
I, Cynthia, take you, Randy.
You half of it. You got half of it, baby. Thank you, Randy.
Okay.
Thank you, Randy.
Yeah, okay.
To be my husband.
To be my-
To have and to hold,
To have and to hold
from this day,
from this day.
for better or for worse,
Oh God, oh God, oh God, I'm doing this. For better or for worse. You got it, baby. Breathe. For better or for worse. For better or for worse.
for richer or for poorer,
For richer or for poorer.
in sickness,
Where are you?
I'm right here.
in sickness and in health,
What?
in sickness and in health,
In sickness.
Sickness and health.
to love and to cherish,
To love and to cherish. I can do that.
till death do us part.
Don't die.
No.
Okay.
Wait a
Just
second.
don't die.
Okay. Okay.
Randy, if you take her ring.
Okay.
You want? You got?
I got it.
She doesn't have balance. Okay. I got it, baby. Don't worry. Don't worry. Come here, honey.
Randy, if you'd place the ring on her left ring finger.
Well, hang on. You have to take this one off first.
She wants the band first, right? It's okay, baby. Here we go.
Okay.
Randy?
It's diamond, Cindy.
It's diamond.
We like diamonds.
You like diamonds, right?
I got a manicure today,
Okay.
okay?
Oh, how pretty.
And there's that. You want this one?
Oh, yeah.
Randy, do you promise to share in life's good times and difficult times in your journey together?
Yes, I do.
Well, Cynthia, if you take his ring.
There's his. There you go. There's his.
Placing it on his left ring finger.
There you go. You got it, girl.
I need to help her out, right?
And do you promise to share in life's good times and difficult times?
Yes.
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 You do.
Yes.
Yes.
But it's my prayer that the two of you will have a very long and beautiful life together. And by the power vested in me by the state of Nevada, I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Oh my God.
All right.